Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabachi, and I am Mark Caleta, the seller of DMSI Home. So today, ang i-update ko sa inyo is yung construction po ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So it's been a while since na nakapag-update ako sa inyo dito kay Allegra Garden Place. I think ang update ko dito was last April pa yata. So hindi ako nakapag-video dito, nakapag-update sa inyo kay Allegra last month. So for now, now po June 2024. So this is the current construction update of Allegra Garden Place. So we're on the 80.25. So 81% na tayo as of June 2024. Okay? So, ito makikita ninyo sa likod ko, ayan na si construction, yung si Allegra Garden Place. Kasi magta-turnover na tayo for Amina Building this coming August. First week of August, second week of August, yan, mag-start na sila yan na mag-turnover kay Amina Building. So, that's the first building. Okay. So, for those sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, so ito, a quick information muna tayo about Allegra Garden Place. So, Allegra Garden Place po is located along Pasig Boulevard. So, that's Pasig Boulevard. So, ang kagandahan nitong project na to, this one is Pasig Boulevard in Barangay Pineda. Okay? I think this one is still Bagong Ilog. So, itong Pasig Boulevard na to, yung pagbaba niyan, malapit ito papunta kay Market. Papunta kay BGC area. Kaya most of the residents here, those who are living here, is either working kay BGC or nag-work sila kay Ortigas area kasi nasa gitna itong project na to. Okay, so dito po sa project na to, right now I'm here in Prisma Residences. So upon entering dyan sa main road na yan, that's Pasig Boulevard, maghihiwalay yan and then meron tayong sariling entrance gate towards Prisma Residences and pupunta kay Allegra Garden Place. So ito na po, papakita ko na po sa inyo si Allegra Garden Place. So this is the second building, that's Soraya Building. And then, ito na. So, that's Amina Building. Okay? So, that's the first building na ita-turnover natin. Ayan. So, makikita ninyo, inaayos na nila yung lobby natin. So, and then, nakita na rin natin yung, yan, nag-finish na sila dyan sa amenity area natin. And nakikita nyo yung taas na yan, that's the elevated garden. Okay? And then, dito sa baba yan, open lawn area yan. Okay, yung playground din natin dyan sa area na yan. Okay? So, napaka-exciting kasi anytime soon, in 2 months time, yan, mag-ano na yan, mag-start na tayo ng turnover dito sa project na to. And napakataas ito project na to. So, for this project, dalawang high-rise residential condominium po ito. Okay? That composed of 56 stories per each building. Okay? So, dito po sa project ito, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. Okay? So, for those who are interested sa 3-bedroom unit, meron pa tayong available dito on both towers. Meron pa. Okay? So, pero very limited na lang. And then, meron din tayong 2-bedroom unit dito na 60 square meters, so malalaki. And also, dito po sa project na to, pinalitan din natin yung standard na steel railing balcony natin into a glass balcony. Okay? So, kagandahan nito, to give way na parang mas malaki na yung windows and doors natin. Not unlike dito sa project natin dito kay Prisma, inoccupy pa yung may butas pa para for the window type. While dito kay Allegra Garden Place, split type na po siya. Okay? Ayan. So, napakaganda. So, tara samahan nyo ako dito. Ngayon, papanik tayo sa taas ni Kiran Building para mapakita ko sa inyo yung view na meron dito po kay Allegra Garden Place. So, syempre on both na rin kay Prisma Residences. So, tara samahan nyo po ako. Ayun. So, ito right now, nandito na ngayon ako sa roof deck ni Kiran Building. Okay? Ni of Prisma Residences. So, after this video, si Prisma naman ang i-update ko sa inyo. So, right now, ito makikita natin. Andito ngayon tayo sa, I think this one is nasa 44th floor tayo. Okay? So, medyo mas mataas itong building na to kay Astra and Celeste ni Prisma. So that's Amina building, and this is Soraya building. Ayan, so medyo mataas siya. Okay, so ngayon ito yung medyo na-miss natin na view. So for those unit owners who are interested to get a unit facing sa likod, okay, facing of Soraya, sa back unit ni Soraya, or back unit ni Amina building. Okay, so ito na po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. So that's BGC area. Okay, so that's BGC. So yan yung magiging view natin. So that's BGC and that's Makati. So medyo hindi ko alam kung fog yan or because of the pollution natin ngayon, dahil ito matagal na pong ganyan yan. So ayan yung ano natin, ayan yung view. So currently it's 2:30 PM right now. Ayan. So nandun yung araw sa right side, going pa sunset kay Makati area. And then ito yung C5 road. Yan yung C5. Okay, and then that's Laguna de Bay. So for those who are interested naman dito kay Prisma Residences, so standby tayo sa update ko po para po dito sa project nito. So right after this construction update natin kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So yun po. So that concludes my update po for Allegra Garden Place. Again, if you want to know more about this project po, you may contact me anytime. So nandyan yung mga numbers ko po, naka-flash yung screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? And also pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing for those who are based here locally. So pwede natin puntahan itong project na. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube ay ma-notify po kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po, stay safe po, bye bye po.